Hello everyone, welcome to a world where numbers come alive and problem solving becomes fun. So get ready to sharpen your skills, think creatively, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning decimals. Today we are going to learn very important topic which is called as division of a decimal by another decimal. It means you have to divide a decimal number by another decimal number by decimal. Now, how do we divide one decimal by another decimal? Now, let us look at an example. Divide 6.3 by 0.02. 6.3 is dividend and 0.02 is divisor. Here you have to get rid of the decimal point of the divisor. You have to remove the decimal point of the divisor. Make the divisor a whole number and then we can divide accordingly. So let us see how to do. First and foremost, 6.3 divided by 0.02. So this is called as what? Dividend, and the denominator is called as divisor. Division of a decimal number by another decimal number. Now, first step, to convert the divisor, and divisor means what? The number you are dividing by. To convert the divisor to a whole number by moving its decimal point to the right. It means what we should do? First we have to convert the divisor. So let's see how I am going to do. 6.3 divided by 0.02. Understand this concept very well. Convert the divisor to a whole number by moving its decimal point towards right. How many places you have after decimal point? 2. So into 100. Are you understanding? Because we have to convert the divisor to a whole number. Understand this, very important. To convert a divisor to a whole number, move its decimal point to the right. Same thing you have to do it for dividend also. So move the decimal point in the dividend the same number of places to the right. So into 100. Into 100, into 100. Are you understanding? Equivalent fraction. So what will I do? Understand this part very well. 0.02, correct? So move 2 places towards right. Move how many places? 2 places towards right. So this becomes 630.0 divided by 2.0, which is nothing but 630 divided by 2. Now when you look at the question, the new question, what does it say? The divisor has become a whole number. In dividend you can have decimals, but in divisor you have to discard the decimal. You have to get rid of the decimal point. So in this way we got the new question. Now after this everybody knows how to divide. So let's switch to the next page. Now finally what we have to do? Perform the division as if you were dividing what? Whole numbers. Normal division. Normal division. So 630 divided by 2, which is equal to what? 2 is the divisor, 630 is the dividend. 2 3s are 6. 3, 2 1s are 2. Bring this 0 down. 2 5s are 10. So how will you write the answer? Therefore, 6.3 divided by 0.02 is nothing but 3.15. In this way, what have we learnt? We have learnt how to convert the decimal number of the divisor into a whole number. What is step 1? Step 1 is you have to get rid of the decimal point of the divisor by moving the decimal point of the dividend as many positions to the right as the divisor has decimal digits. Number of digits or number of decimal digits the divisor has. Are you understanding? And then finally we performed the division as if we are dividing it by whole number. Now let's switch to the next example. 2. Divide 231.84 by 0.3. Step 1. Now see, in this solution I'll note down the steps, but no need to write these steps in your examination paper. These steps are just for understanding. Let's see step 1. In step 1, what have we learned? Convert the divisor to a whole number. It means what? It means move the decimal point in 0.3 one place to the right to make it 3. So let's see how to do. 231.84 divided by 0.3. So 231.84 is the dividend and 0.3 is the divisor. Into 10. It means now move the decimal in the dividend also. The same process what you did in the divisor. So in step 1, what we did? We have to move the decimal point in 0.3 one place to the right to make it 3. Now in step 2, now move the decimal, understand this step, in the dividend also. In the dividend, the same number of places. It means what? It means move the decimal point in 231.84 one place. How many places? One place to the right to make it what? Now after moving, what is the answer you are going to get of the dividend? 2318.4. So let's see how to do. 231.84 into 10 divided by 0.3 into 10. From where we got this 10? Because in the divisor, how many places you have? You have only one place after the decimal point. So same thing you have to do it for dividend at the same time. So when you see this, this is also called as equivalent fraction. Okay. Now after this, what will you do? Shift towards right side. How many places? One place. Same thing you have to shift towards right side in the dividend, one place. So your actual answer is not, actual question is what? 3.0, which can also be written as 2318.4 divided by 3. Now can you see your new question? Now divide the numbers as if they were whole numbers. You know how to divide because in the previous class we have seen dividing a decimal by a whole number. So same procedure you will follow, but to make it as a whole number we have to follow these steps. Now let's switch to the next page. Now just divide it. 2318.4. Now see, it means you are dividing 2318.4 by 3. Perform the division as you would with whole numbers. So 3 sevens are 21, 2. Bring 1 down. 3 sevens are 21, 0. Bring 8 down, 8. 3 2s are 6. Wait, now after this you have 10th place. So instantly what you have to do, put this decimal point in the quotient. After that what will you do? Bring this 4 down. So 3 8s are 24. So your final answer is what? Therefore 231.84 divided by 0.3 equals 772.8. It means dividing or division of a decimal by another decimal. So first simple step is what? Convert this divisor into a whole number and then you can divide both the decimals or both the numbers. This can be decimal, but here you have to remove the decimal of the divisor. Now let's switch to the next question. Now let's see few sums how to divide a decimal by another decimal. As you know, practice is very important. Practice makes man perfect. Fine. So now let's see. Divide the following. First sum, 0.532 by 0.4. A decimal number is divided by another decimal number. So in step 1 what will we do? No need to write the steps. Just solve. 0.532 divided by 0.4. So 0.532 is the dividend, 0.4 is the divisor. You have to get rid of the decimal point of the divisor. So into 10 into 10. Are you understanding? Now move the decimal point one place to the right in the divisor to make it a whole number, and same procedure you have to follow in the dividend also. So one place towards right and one place towards right. So 5.32 divided by 4.0. 4.0 is nothing but it is written as 4 only. So 5.32 divided by 4. So now you got divisor as a whole number. Can you perform it as a normal division? Yes, we can perform it as a normal division. So let's see. Let's see. 4 ones are 4. You have decimal point over here because after this you are going to start 10th place. So place the decimal in the quotient. Shift this 3 down. 4 3s are 12. Again bring this 2 down. 4 3s are 12. In this way you got the final answer. 0.532 divided by 0.4 equals 1.33. Now let's switch to the next question. Divide 0.275 by 0.25. So solution, very important sum, divided by 0.25. 0.275 is the dividend and 0.25 is the divisor. Now move the decimal point 2 places. How many places? 2 places to the right in the divisor to make it a whole number. So, and same procedure you have to follow in the dividend also. 0.25 into 100 into 100. Fine. Now 1, 2. It's like equivalent fraction. 1, 2. So 27.5 divided by 25.0. It's nothing but 27.5 divided by 25. Fine. Now just divide it as a normal division. 27.5. 25 ones are 2. You have decimal point, place it in the quotient. Bring down the 10th place. 25 ones are. So your final answer is what? Therefore 0.275 divided by 0.25 equals 1.1. Do you know how can we recheck our answer? Let's see that also. Okay, let's see this. How will we come to know whether our answer is correct or not? So, let's see. I'll multiply 0.25 into 1.1. You'll tell me, teacher, why? Now, please see. divide by 0.25 equals 1.1. You got this as the answer. Now your LHS you can keep it as 0.275 and RHS you can write it as 1.1 into 0.25. Fine. Transposition method, which you will learn in higher classes. So just multiply 11 into 25. 5, 5 cross 2, 2. So 5, 7, 2 added. So your answer what you are getting in LHS, what you have 0.275 and here what you have 275. 0.1, 0.25, 3 places, 3 places. So what will be the answer according to you? You tell me. It is 0.275. So again your LHS, that is left hand side answer, is equal to right hand side answer. It means your answer is correct. No need to solve this. This is just for your explanation part. Like how do you know that whether your answer is correct or incorrect? So here what I did, I kept this 0.275 in LHS. I shifted this 0.25 to RHS with multiplication sign, which you will learn in higher classes. So this is called as transposition method. After multiplying, when you see RHS, you got 0.275 and even in LHS you have 0.275. In this way, our answer is correct. Now let's switch to the next sum. Divide 0.64 by 0.8. Solution 0.64 divided by 0.8. So 0.64 divided by 0.8. So into 10 into 10. Shift one place and shift one place over here. So your answer, new question is 8.0, which is nothing but 6.4 divided by 8. Now you know normal division. 6.4. 8 zeros are 0. Place the decimal in the quotient. Bring the 10th place down. 8 eights are 64. Therefore, your answer is what? 0.64 divided by 0.8 equals what? 0.8. Can we recheck this answer? Let's see how to recheck this answer. Recheck. No need to solve in your examination paper. This is just for your understanding. Now 0.64 divided by 0.8. How you can write 0.64 by 0.8? What is the answer you got? 0.8. Keep this LHS as it is. Shift to RHS. So 8 8s are 64. So LHS is this and RHS again you got 0.64. It means your answer is correct. So in this way we have learned division of a decimal by another decimal. Now let's switch to the next question, which is quite important. I hope you are understanding and liking my explanation. In case if you have doubt, queries, any class, any particular topic or subtopics, please feel free to clear the doubts anytime, as I am available 24/7. Now let's switch to the next sum. Divide 31.125 divided by 1.5. It means division of a decimal by another decimal. So everyone knows all the steps. Let's see. 31.125 divided by 1.5 into 10 into 10. Now move only one place to the right. Now your final question is what? 311.25 divided by 15.0, which is nothing but 311.25 divided by 50. Now I hope you know how to divide. In case if you don't know division, so just write down 15 table over here. Now 15 311.25. 15 is the divisor, 311.25. 311 is a whole number, 0.25 is a fractional part. So we'll write 15 table. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 6 are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 8s are 120 and so on. Now let's see, already I have done over here 15 2s are 30. Okay, now shift this 1 over here. Now 15 zeros are 0, so 1 1. The moment you see this decimal point, place it in the quotient and bring only one digit at a time. Okay, one sequence at a time. Now 112 means 15 sevens are. So 15 sevens are 105. When you subtract, what is the answer? You are getting 7. And bring this last digit, that is which place? 100th place down. So 15 fives are 75. So your final answer is what? Therefore 31.25 divided by 1.5 equals 20.75. So in this way we have learned division of a decimal by another decimal. Now let's go to the final page. Now these are two assignment questions where you can try to solve at home, and please comment, or in case if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. Like the first question says, divide 128.4 by 0.4. So such questions you will get in MCQ, okay, multiple choice questions. So first option is 320, then 321, then 322 and 323. So out of these four, any one is correct. So you have to solve and get the answer. Question 2 says, 4 friends share this much amount equally. How much do they each receive? So again solve and try to find out the answer. Now that's it for today's lesson. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. As you know, they are a part of learning. If you have thoroughly enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to share what you learned with friends. I'll see you in next class. And in next class, please go through each and every sum, because I'm going to revise the entire chapter. And once the revision is done thoroughly, no one will stop you to score 100% marks. Thank you. Bye-bye.